Hi, Mallory. Thank you for your post. Thank you for getting me the extra information. It means a lot. It just helps me get a better answer for you. You're dealing with two things. You're dealing with a pretty extreme visual impairment, double cataracts, surgery, plus visually impaired, and you're having a microdeletion. Now, problem with both is I actually think your child's more visually impaired. That is affecting development. However, what gets thrown into the pocket, because you have a lot on your plate with epilepsy, autism, and stuff, the rare genetics seems to will normally take precedence over your child's development. I'm going to go with vision. First of all, I don't know when the next surgery is, but getting glasses in between and so forth. And I'm assuming that's the add into the prescription because of the cataracts. So I gave you the post of my review on cataracts and what happens. And so right now he's out of balance because he's had surgery on one, the scarring, and then he's got the cataracts going on. So you don't be surprised if you'd see like almost like a head shake or a bob. Because again, just even from before, trying to get balance, having double cataracts at his age are rare. I've worked with it before. Also, be careful too. I don't know if it's a Y-structured cataracts or not, but if you're seeing a tilt and so forth, the curvature in the back can occur, but it's because they're trying to see around the cataracts all this time versus the actual scoliosis or curve that you're seeing, and so that also too has to be looked at. Second of all, because of cataracts, he's not had binocular vision, and so therefore his convergence is really weak. How does this affect, let's say, feeding? If I came behind you and you didn't know it, and I had filet mignon, your best meal you've ever could even imagine, and I just came behind you and stuck it in your mouth, let me tell you, you'd want to hit me. Sensory integration is, and that's just pure human intelligence. You can't just go up to somebody and put something in their mouth and expect them to eat it. It just doesn't work. We don't like being blindfolded for that reason. Your son is legally blind with what's going on, and again, with needing help with the binocular vision, the eyes working together, and then the convergence on top of, again, the cataracts, and so it's really rough to try and feed someone. You really want to make them as visually aware as possible before working with the feeding. But right now we just have to get him seeing better. Even just his script alone, having a 4 and a 3, if you look at it sideways, it's like I can see here and here, but I'm not going to get the convergence just based on script. Now the eyeglasses will even it out, right? But then we still have to work on convergence. Convergence is going to be equally hard, even just for muscle structure of the eye, because of the cataracts. So I don't know when the next surgery is. Where I would help, I would work on my pre-standing course. I just did I'm going to tag you in it, a thing about walking in the pubic bone strike and the way he curves. He does not have that for his walking, but he doesn't have it because of his vision. And so, and the other one I would start working with is the head and vision course of just trying to even out the balance in his head due to the cataracts. I hope that helps. And if you have any comments, let me know. Thank you.